There you go.
Hello, my name is Tom. I come to you from Northern Maine. Welcome to my fish house today. It's a gorgeous day. It's not cold out here at all whatsoever. It's the only problem is we got a little bit more wind than I like. But that's all right. It's supposed to warm up to 50 degrees out here. I believe it. There's 2 inches of water on top of the ice everywhere you go. But that brings me to my last point. Actually, my first point of this video. I fished last weekend, both days. Well, actually, I say both days. I fished Friday and Saturday. Sunday, I did take off, family day. But the conditions out here on this ice was horrendous. Between me and the truck, the ice had flooded. We'd had a day of rain the week before. So the snow was melting, the warm temperatures, the rain. There's a swamp over on the other side of the road that I get to this lake on. And so I imagine that swamp was filling up with water and then it was spilling out into the top of this lake. So for whatever reason, there was about 100 yards of almost knee-deep water. The first day, we kind of trotted through it. The next day, I brought some snowshoes with me and went around it. Because up on shore, you know, there's a couple feet of snow, but at least it wasn't flooded. But by the time we went home that night, I say we because I brought 2 people with me. Had a good time. I brought my nephew and I brought my great-nephew, and neither one of them have ice fished before. So I got together a bunch of traps so that everybody could have, we managed to have 4 traps apiece, so that was pretty good. And we caught, I'm not a bass fisherman, but we caught some bass, big ones, 3 to 4 pounds. And I'm having a big fish fry tomorrow night with my family. So I took all them bass home, slayed them out, and boy, have I got, I didn't weigh how many pounds of fillets I've got, but I've got a pile of fish to feed the kids tomorrow night. So that's going to be interesting. They love Papa's fish nuggets. So anyways, I brought my nephew out and my great-nephew. And when I say great-nephew, don't think little boy. He's 20 years old. And my nephew's probably closer to 40. But the 20-year-old nephew, he hauled the sled out. He hauled it back. That was pretty nice. Because the conditions were so bad that there was no way that I was bringing the snow dog out here. We had 6 inches of slush everywhere. And then you had that almost knee-deep water, plush slush, just coming onto the lake. So what a mess. And then this week has been nice. We've had been below zero up until last night. So I've been trying to get out here the last couple of days. But I couldn't come out until today, and it is got 2 inches of water. Maybe I already said that. Must have right around the fish house 2-3 inches of water. But just water everywhere. But one good stiff night and it'll all stiffen up. If you don't have a coffee, go ahead and get yourself a cup of coffee. Sit in the fish house with me for a while. And we'll just shoot the bull, I guess. I've got the heater going, even though I don't need it. I got water on top of it, and it takes about an hour for it to warm up. And once that's warm, I'm going to have me a cup of soup. As well as probably make myself a tea. Well, the day is coming to an end. I've added another bass to the fish fry tomorrow night. So that's good. Right now on the menu is fish nuggets, homemade onion rings, and homemade French fries. That ought to be a good family fish fry. Only one thing make that better. And that'd be some corn on the cob. Corn on the cob. I'm sitting here on Sunday. I'm getting ready to clean a gun. This is a bolt action 12 gauge with a 28-inch barrel, full choke. So this is a real meat eating gun. This thing will get you just about anything. All you got to do is shoot him in the head. Shoot the head and the body's dead. So that's good. So I will leave you some links at the end of this video. Click on one of those links. It's more about the lifestyle here at the cabin. And I will also leave you some cards up at the beginning of this thing. I'll leave some cards up in the right-hand corner of more videos about the lifestyle that I have here at this rustic log cabin in Northern Maine. So I will see you in the next one. Got him, no problem.